Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send a GitHub invite. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to have your collaborators added into your uh, GitHub account. And basically, you will be needing either to go from your own repositories and you will add collaborators, or you can simply add them or follow other people. So basically, we will be needing first to go to any repository. For example, this one, you can go to any repository and then we will be needing to go to settings. So basically in the settings, you will find access, and in access, you will have collaborators. By clicking on collaborators, let's just add our password. And basically, now we are able to add our collaborators. So here you have your public repository, so make sure it is public. And those are direct accesses. And here you can invite any collaborators. So you click on add people, you find people. And basically you can either add them by ID or you can add them by name, username, so like that, or by email. Uh, it can be something like that, I think. It might be found. Let's go to .com. And basically, let's try any combination that would work. Hello. And basically, you just invite the people to your repository. You click add hello to your repo, and basically, this is how you can invite people to your repository. So, thank you for watching, and see you next time.